welcome back to the channel, everybody. Yeah man, today we're on the next adventure. The adventure, I want a light adventure today still because just me, Tanisha, and Kellan. Yeah. Doing their work or doing their school. Everyone tell me what to welcome. Hey Tanisha, you there? Come around here, sir. I look up there, sir. Master, they're pretty. Yeah, so we find a little spot. We didn't want to come at that spot here from a couple months ago. We just get the chance. Check it out. Over there is a rough, it's a rare pool. A little location nice there. Like it, Kelani? Like it? Kelani, it's sweetie, that means there's nobody. Yeah man, so today we're gonna do some lobster and hopefully some mashed potato. Yeah man, so just go and stay tuned. Come here, check out the water. And see up that side. They're pretty still. Pretty man. You see up there, Tanisha? Up there nice, that's all. Take off the light, don't want to fight. Don't let the baby go down in the water. Mud up for yourself. Yeah man, so just stay tuned. Alright, so the fire side, check it out. Fire right here. One go, one go. So I record all of that and show them. I don't want to feel like every time when I tell them I say one go. I know one go. Watch. Alright, watch this. So you can never make a mistake with them plastic plate here. Never make a mistake. Best things in sliced bread. The plastic plate, the best things in sliced bread. This is the trick. So all I use the plastic fork. You tie it out, Tanisha? You tie it out? Yeah. So as we said before, you do some lobster. Lobster what, Tanisha? Lobster and mashed potato? Yeah, lobster and mashed potato.
Something simple.
Yeah. No plenty of it today, no, just me, Tanisha, Kelani. So, one go, you know. One go, you know, Tanisha. Oh.
Okay, you didn't have to fire no still, but
What do you mean? Yeah, lobster quick enough.
Yeah. Because the mashed potato mostly you cook on the fire because I don't know how soft these Irish potato is. So.
Kelani, say hi. Say hi. Say please like, share and subscribe. Come on, say it. Say, please like. Yeah. Hey. Can I chop business again? Oh, that jackfruit.
Yeah.
See? Fire over there ready, you know. Remember that. The day actually turn out good. When we come down, time overcast, Tanisha start fret. And look, it's a sunny day. Check that out, yeah? I have no coconut there on the tree there, Tanisha. Is the coconut on it now? Full coconut? Is the full coconut on it?
That one is grass
Coconut tree they pull out too much bush. Oh, that the one they have on coconut?
Yeah.
Oh, that.
I see one big apple tree over there too.
Yeah.
One the apple one, yeah?
Place fruitful man. I see one mango tree there. No, no mango on the on it. No mango tree there. None on the on it. Oh, people are coming. Somebody is there. You check that out. Check this out now. Tanisha, eat jackfruit and drink beer. Can't, you know, I like jackfruit still, but I never drink the beer. I eat peas. But I don't know if jackfruit and beer work. I know. No bathroom no there here. No bathroom no there here, sir.
Go use the push.
Yeah? Use what? Nah, sir. Courage to go buy me for the property. Nah, sir. I know that. You have to find stick.
No, baby, no.
You have to find stick, not true? What you want stick for do? What you do with stick? You want jackfruit? You want jackfruit? That you want that? You want jackfruat? I beat you and beat it. Then I tell you. The reason why people beat you, know, I basically force ripe in a sense, you know, to soften it out, you know. You understand? But you beat it too much. Alright, so a lobster. Hey, why Tanisha never take the lobster out of the bag? Must have saved your bag. Alright. Tanisha, you never take it out of your bag. You never take out the lobster out of your bag. You know how long them lobster there on the fridge? You don't want about the bag, you know, true?
Not necessarily.
Hey, one of them health, well, two of them look good still, you know, but the one they huge.
This is the biggest one.
You want towards still, because you saw in tail hook up, see me?
Yes, it's still frozen.
Two nice lobster, you know? Then the lobster they on the fridge over a month now. Time for me get rid of them and get two new ones. That's why I want to learn to spear fish, you know. It's interesting to learn to spear fish, Tanisha.
You catch a lot of lobster.
Oh, no man, I want a freezer, I'm going to need.
You catch all of the lobster.
What?
I see.
I want a freezer. I'm going to want. Hey, Nepa go write me. Because they want to say, brother, you catch out the whole of the lobster, them, man. And the whole of the fish, them. You say, all the lion fish, them. We don't say they invasive. Master meat off the whole of them. You never eat them yet, not true? Lion fish. Nice, man. The best.
No.
The best set of fish. The best tasting fish, them, Tanisha. Are the poisonous one, them. For instance, barracuda. Well, I know you eat barracuda already. Barracuda and lion fish. Tastiest fish, them, man. I tell you. Well, them gone, Tanisha. Feel like we alone there here now. How are they gone? Where the hell is a coconut tree come from? Okay, sir? Nothing more than a hurricane when the hurricane wash it down here. So. My God. You know what you say? I told them. People them say water run too hard. Them can't manage it. Kids can't manage it. You like it? You like it? Mm-hmm. Where? Where is it? Yeah, I know. Because of the rain, you know, the rain fall the other day. The deep man. Alright, that's what I'm talking to you. You see a deep water there. But you look funny to know. Okay, I'm happy to. Huh? Probably. Yeah, a long drive. Hey, mama. Alright. No, but they can't drive it. They can't drive it so go to Portland Cottage. You see them go to the beach, but that the beach there something the beach a fishing beach that is dirty. You remember? Wait. Hold on. Yeah. Because a Milk River that you know, remember say you pass Milk River mineral bath, you know.
Yeah, so that's fishing.
Oh, this is dirty. You know go this. Yeah man. We never even start cook it. You know hungry? You know hungry yet? This is my second beer. Second beer and we never start cook it. I'm not start doing anything yet. You're not going to swim? You're not going to swim? Come, wet up yourself now, wet up yourself. I'm going like a afraid of water, so I don't mean your foot. Yes, cooling yourself. Where? Hey, man, make sure say. Make sure stay, you know. Hey, the water cold, you know. What you say? Water cold, man. And heavy for real, Tanisha. Water heavy. Just tell her what you do. Hey, watch your baby. Alright. One mango tree up here, so you know, so. I get some mango. Watch. It looks like a vehicle drive up here, so too. So at first, I come down here and I'm gonna really. Hope I can't find any shade. That's a clear aki. Holy pa aki. The far up in that tree though. Man. What? Around here says a different world. My god. Sorry, I'm never lock up the vehicle and carry Tanisha and Kelani. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Where me find this a mango tree now? The man say, well, for mango upon it. Let me see mango on the ground. Mango there. Let me see mango tree. You see aki tree. Holy paki. It's a one mango tree but nothing left on it. Oh yeah. Alright, me see it now. See two of them. Peter mango under the tree. Alright, check this. These are the mango tree. So you know so this is another mango tree where you can climb, you know. So all you have to do is find some mango. But through the trees at all. What are mango they mash up? My god. Everything mash up. Everything mash up. That's two different type of mango this. Check this. See? Find a few. So I collect a couple. And then go back to Kelani and Tanisha. So stay tuned. See? Watch it. One just jumped over here so a while ago. I just realized plenty mango tree. Man, about six or 7 mango tree, and the mango them just drop off. Them just drop off of the tree. Up here and this. You hear some drop a while ago. The one here just drop. So I grab the one here too. I wasn't expecting anything like this. If me did bring like container, a bag or so. But I leave with couple ackee. But never bring nothing like that. So right now I get probably about a dozen mango. Dozen or more than a dozen. 3 packets, me have the 3 packets full and I have 4 in my hand. Yeah man, so I give thanks. Yes, Tanisha. Holy for ackee tree. But guess what? Everything tall. Everything tall. Oh, you give them a bag? Ah. Ah. You see me they have a bag? You couldn't get more mango. Ah, walk over there, man. You know, far still, no, but.
Ah, when we don't cook.
Yeah, make you see how you go. Yeah, when you're done.
Yeah,
look, come on, go. What do I packet them?
Wait.
These are 3, 2, and 4. See?
Alright, ready.
More than a dozen.
So you have
So Rex
mango
there.
in your hand.
Rex there.
Mango in your pocket. All in pocket them full of mango.
You know the one there?
You just bring the bags up and put it in your pocket. And you have some in your hand. This does not look like number 11. And number 11?
What? I don't know if I 11 or 12, but one of them.
It looks like number 11, Ricky.
That first one. I mean, shall I wash one? Yeah. Nice, man. I'm looking around. Tanisha say a number 11. Don't know if I live my 12. Hey, the 2 best things coming in the same season. That's how what? Mango and what? Mango and crab. Mango and crab come the same time. And crab love mango too, you know? Mango nice apart. I'm just in that one room. I soon come back with but I mean say I food eat out here, but you know money to eat over there. So I'm go over there and pay skin and seed, you know. Kelani, my mango baby. Why you sit down in the dirt? Hey, Tanisha, the mango them sweet and scratch short. Oh, salt in there too? Yeah. Let me play salt. Come mama, come this side. Come. Alright, so I use one fire because Dutchy. No, not really that. The Dutchy bottom too small to fit on the fire. So the pot kind of wide that the Dutchy bottom just small when I go sit down on the fire. So. Watch it, Tanisha, look here. Cool fire. Yeah man, I fire that. Fire that man. Oh, the Tanisha, breadfruit.
Irish potato.
A Jamaican breadfruit.
This is black breadfruit.
So this is Jamaican breadfruit. The breadfruit that grow underground. Alright? Nobody tell about Irish, a breadfruit this. Kelani, what is that? What is that? What is that? You don't know what it is? What is it? You don't know what that is? It's potato. It's Irish. Alright, what is that? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is it? No, this. You tell me. Don't ask mommy. What is it?
It's a cotton.
It's a what? It's a lobster.
It's a lobster.
Yes. You gonna eat it? Gonna eat the lobster?
I want to eat the lobster.
Alright. Daddy gonna make you eat the lobster here. Alright, mine in you. Come. Leave him now. Leave him. What am I telling you? The day just calm. I guess this thing called peace and serenity, right? Peace and serenity. Tell her to do this. Snack time. Silly go feel. It's snack time. A long time to see something like that. Wait, I want a potato that.
Yeah.
Look like you want more.
5 or 6 potato this.
Look like you want more.
That's why I was asking if you want more.
The potato look fine.
They go and mash it still.
Daddy,
You want more water? Wait.
No man, that's good. Give one a snack, baby. Give daddy one. Daddy's so hungry.
You can get on it?
Give me another one. You're not eating now. Eat your
Come
face.
here. You go see the lobster now? Hey, it's like a boil now. Ready?
Say, wait, that is a monster one?
Yeah, that's the biggest one.
That's it.
Another kind of big one? Oh, that's a small
Yeah,
one.
this is the one big one.
Yeah, put off in whiskers.
What did they call him?
I don't know what they call him. I ask you. Ricky, careful with the cutting board. Cause I'm not chopping board. This is cutting board.
It's a knife, I can't do it now. Stop. Watch out. Shake him, man. Can't do it too, you know.
Yeah.
Can't split him yourself. But me prefer to do this.
Then bust it here. Carry it straight back down to here. And flip him over. I'll finish busting up now.
I'm really doing rough, you know. I wonder why I deal with this over.
I'm dead in and no wagwan.
In spirit. Yuck!
I get the lobster clean out now, guys.
And clean out the gooey. That just like crab, you know.
Alright guys, you'll get them wash off here now. And see. Yeah, I'm in the lobster wash for you, see.
Tanisha come dirty for what time it's supposed to want.
Cow, baby cow.
Cow, oh, I'm thinking it's a head. Cow, I'm come out and come out. Pretty though? Cows. That is a lot of cow. More are coming now, look at them. More up here. More cow.
the cow is gone because I know the supper. Because they're gone in the hole.
So what does that have to do with you wetting up yourself?
gone. I told you the gone.
She try to explain the reason why she went up herself, you know.
And the cow now have nothing.
I look how far the cow them they cross the river.
Because the
And you wet up your
cows-
shoe, watch it. Wet up your crocs, everything.
Whoops. Because the cow is gone, so let's see what happens.
Alright, so you know test them. You test the potato? Well, you know I think them there
Where would the potato?
one of them cook style out of
Mango.
what you not have? Trainer. A whole pot cover all time style.
Mango?
Want mango? I'm to wash it for you? I'm to wash the mango?
Huh?
You gonna eat it?
Yeah, I'm going to
Alright,
eat
I'm going to wash it for you now. Here? But stop boil up, blow up the fire. You have to blow it up because it stop boil. And look how we are oil, I don't remember if we oil up the pot. How the hell that's supposed to wash off now? You're going to do a good job, not true? You're going to do a good job. Thank you, Mama. You want the skin strip? And take off the skin of the mango? You want me to take the skin off the mango?
You know if you eat it.
Boy, I can't drive come so close to the river and wash my car. Look. Look how close the park.
Ooh, a cow.
Literally at arm's length away, so.
Want to see the
Clean
cow?
up the car and thing.
Because
Spring clean still. Come
Yeah,
and bring
we
no
just-
soap. Hey,
I'm going to take the picture.
I want
of
cow
the
come
cow.
visit.
And the
Take
cow
a-
come visit.
I say, want me to take a picture of the cow?
Huh? Take
Alright,
the
I take
picture.
him picture already. See him now have no tail. I'm cut off him tail. You see him now have no tail, you know? Look, no tail.
Because you don't have a bill. You don't have a bill, Daddy.
I look food. I get away and get away.
Daddy,
Can still have an hero. Come baby.
Daddy, because the cow will have the bill.
Mm-hmm.
Because you did a ding dong ding.
Alright, I season up the lobster now, Tanisha.
Yeah.
Alright. I have all I seasoning here. Watch my style. You know what I like though?
Yeah.
The carrot, I mean the mixed vegetable.
The cauliflower then.
Carrot and I mean, well, the cauliflower and the broccoli no bad. But you see the carrot always soft. You never cook them cook. You never cook them cook. Let us see.
Another one there. You the one there?
You look like I get the cow get to you know. You see rub the on him. You just go and drink water
Thirsty.
and turn back. Kill on if you're fearless, you know? Fearless, you know, say you pin don't literally go to the cow, you know? Alright, this.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
because it's a cow.
That nailed it for me. Let me add some cayenne pepper. Yeah, take it through the small hole, you know. The small hole, small hole, me. Take the season through. Huh? Me use the big hole in this season pan. Tanisha can't go eat it. I don't mind the pepper, you know. I don't mind the pepper, master, but Tanisha afraid of pepper. Tanisha, tell everybody say you're afraid of pepper. You're afraid of pepper, man. Hey, I cook a crab Saturday night. Oh yeah, so man. I would have got to do the live stream for the crab there, but internet is kind of shaky which part we cook it and stuff, so just not bother with the live stream, but we are planning to do a live soon. Come baby, come. We are planning to do a live soon. I hope everybody can tune in to the live. So, you know, yes? I'm gonna go home. Cow gone home. Yeah, so we want to do the live. We want you guys to tune in to that live, so you know, just for the support. Yeah, moral support. So yeah, man, we post that soon when we are gonna do the live and stuff like that. So yeah, man, tune in. Wait. Any lobster can hold on the sapata, by the way?
You better make it cold.
Best spot, if you do it at the Dutchy frying pan in a but it's bigger than this. Couldn't bother bring that still. If you use and cook this morning, you have to wash it out and stuff, so just leave it. But we'll make it working at this still. Tanisha go and handle the season. Oh, you know, but I cut up the carrot night. That's what you're going to use the one in the mix. Oh, a mixed vegetable maybe or just broccoli and cauliflower and carrot.
I don't remember what in here.
Just use the one of them. I don't really like that.
Why not?
I'm not sure. Not really.
Have you done your natural season?
Pot ready now, Tanisha? Pot ready for your season. Turn on the fire. Water and oil, you know what that goes. Water can come out. Water and oil can mix in. Oh, the water just to cool it down, but you know the water, the oil. Oil will go above the water. I normally burn curry, but this one, lobster, overcook. We make it stay for the whole 30 minutes because curry is supposed to cook under 30 minutes. Guess what? As me say, I normally burn curry. Everybody do them things different. So if I hear things to burn it, you burn it. Simple. You just want to know you cook it properly and you're in the belly. One more like that. Right, so I have them lobster, you know. I don't know how the pot go hold it all of them matches. Two of them are full of the pot. Two of them are full of the pot. Right?
That's the whole little.
I do, no choice.
You have the whole team there.
No, that's okay. Sério. Tá, the thing is, you know, you can't add too much water to it. You have water on the curry. You understand?
You just have the whole team.
No chance.
All the time.
Yeah.
But if you want to start, just go over by the next side.
I'm going to cut in a trim and put the two different sides. Mix it up.
You have to wash out in it?
A vehicle at a cow again? A cow. Oh, more cow than this. Down there. Come, hey, where you going? Give me a fearless. Fearless. No, this is the one when she run go right towards the cow. Where's the cow? The only thing we can do with these right now is flip them. Because now I have too much water. Yes, baby? What do you say about the cow? Man, this smells so good. Smell it, Tanisha? Smell it?
Not yet.
That's too far, man. Why on earth? Why on earth? Carry this up here. Cook lobster. I have no idea. I don't know why you tell me so go home. Hey. Oh.
Alright, Kellan, this is yours. Put some sauce on it.
Yeah, sauce with what?
What is that?
Oh yeah, they were bringing it.
See there? That's a lobster and some mashed potato. Yeah, man. That is it. Almost a crab in the Tanisha. Crab season now, so almost a crab.
This is so good.
Nice, huh, Joe? Nice, man.
What are they compliment one another?
Only thing we want is some more pepper. Kellan says she don't want it, so you have fear. Yeah, I have to try this in the future. Kellan, you don't like it? Kellan says she don't like it. Nice, man.
We devour lobster.
Wow.
I'll need to shrill me a mash up.
We devour lobster. Hey, pee that one.
We have a tail.
Just chew it on this now. Right, so, boy, me I tell you, I want to see this food me ever eat. I don't know what happened a while ago behind the camera. It's just scaling a piece of pepper seed fly down my throat. Man! Think you most Tanisha ever roasted this time I go ask myself. But apart from that, nice, man. Nice method, really, really nice. And Tanisha there said the potato was too little bit, but work out, man. I mean, right now I literally feel full. Yeah, feel full for the next half an hour. I ran a while ago. One dog?
Okay.
Yeah, man, so we'll take a swim and stuff now and take a wash off. You understand? Yeah. Stay tuned.
Turn around for mirror, man.
There's the backside too. So that is the end of this video. See you on the next adventure. Until next time, peace.